The Theory of Vibration from Music Theory to Conscious Tuning Part 1. The Foundational Principle. Hello and welcome. What you are experiencing right now on the most fundamental level is vibration. From the smallest atom to the grandest galaxy, everything is energy vibrating at a specific rate. Sound, light, and heat are all expressions of this principle. It is a foundational tenet of physics that echoes through ancient wisdom traditions. We begin with music. When a string is plucked, the speed of its oscillation determines its frequency, which we hear as pitch. Music theory is the language and map we use to organize these pitches. Notes C, D, E, etc. are specific, measurable frequencies. When notes vibrate together at certain ratios, they create harmony, a pleasing, resonant combination rooted in mathematical law, a concept that fascinated figures like Pythagoras. Conversely, chaotic vibrations create dissonance. Part 2. The spiritual extension and deep dive theory of vibration is the concept that you are also a symphony of vibrations. Your thoughts, emotions, and physical body all operate at various frequencies. Low vibrations, for example. Stress, fear, anger are slow and chaotic. Analogous to dissonance in music, high vibrations, for example. Love, joy, gratitude are fast and ordered. Analogous to harmony, the core mechanism at work is the law of resonance. Energy attracts energy of a similar rate. If you resonate at a lower frequency, you align with experiences that match that disharmony. If you cultivate a high frequency, you draw in experiences that reflect that internal order and stability. Part 3. What the theory of vibration does when put to use. Putting this theory into practice is not passive. It is about becoming a conscious tuner of your own energy. Leveraging powerful neurobiological mechanisms, activating belief systems. The placebo effect. By installing the belief, I have control over my energetic state, you initiate the placebo effect. This belief reinforces positive neural pathways, leading to a physical drop in stress hormones and an increase in feel-good neurotransmitters. Your mind literally changes your body's chemistry to physically manifest a higher vibration, sharpening the reticular activating system RAS. The RAS is the brain's filter. When you intentionally raise your vibration by focusing on positive intention, for example, I see opportunities. You prime your RAS, it stops filtering for scarcity and chaos and actively scans your environment for information, people, and circumstances that match your newly defined high-frequency focus, leading to what many call flow or coincidences, creating coherent energy fields. Entrainment. This principle explains why tools like crystals and sound work. Structured tools, such as the resonant frequencies of crystals at Elemental Soul, introduce a coherent, ordered signal to your system. Through the physics principle of entrainment, your body's own chaotic energy attempts to synchronize and lock into that stronger, more stable external frequency, promoting stability and internal harmony. Conclusion. Music theory gives us the perfect metaphor for life. Notes are your thoughts, scales are your perspectives, harmony is the feeling of alignment and flow. By consciously engaging with these energetic principles, you have the power to compose your own energetic reality, shifting your internal state much like a musician tunes their instrument to create a more harmonious and fulfilling life.